Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to merge two columns in Google Docs table. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my blank document. Now I merged two columns in Google Docs in this document. At first I have to insert a table. Go to insert menu. Now press table option. Now you can see here are template table templates. Now draw your table. Now you can see here are my table. Now I select this whole table and change border width 1 pt to 6 pt. Now click outside the table. Now you can see here on my table. Now I merged two columns in these tables. You can select any two columns to drag on your mouse. Now right click on these selected columns. Now press merge cells. Now press outside on this table. Now you can see I merged two columns in a Google Docs table very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.